question about the Pentair system with Easy Flow. There are no lights on the ic40 at all. It's about 5 years old. Should there be any lights, if the cell is bad, the Easy Flow, maybe it's the Easy Touch, main controller box has power.
Likely, if the unit's 5 years old, the computer components inside the ic40 are shot, and therefore there's no signal being sent back to the Easy Touch. So likely it doesn't even know that it exists. So right off the bat, if it's 5 years old, I can tell you that the unit is no longer any good. I mean, we typically average in running it fairly consistently 3 to 4 years. So if you got 5 years out of it, I would say that's its lifespan. I mean, you can try to investigate all the more, but I highly doubt it's anything else other than it's just done, it's shot.